entrepreneurs and manufacturers of the food processing.
Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong said that the Meghalaya government is in no mood to repeal Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act. Justifying the decision of the state government, Deputy Chief Minister said the public is only against the setting up of casinos and not the Gambling Act. Tinsong said that repealing Gaming Act would mean all gambling activities would continue without any regulation. Further, Tinsong said that there is no question of bypassing the cabinet as far as appointment of chairman and members of the Gaming Commission and implementation of the act is concerned. Meanwhile, Tinsong reiterated the government's decision to put a stop to the proposal for setting up of casinos in the state.
All activities is totally unlawful. We need to regulate. That's what I'm telling you, regulation is required. Act is required. It has to be in place. From the government side, ultimately, we regulate it. We bring in the law. Because they cannot just freely do anything they like. It should be within the frame, guidelines, rules. So that, any public, they can do it. But do it in a manner where things which is not going beyond the legality.
With frequent movement of trucks